Well, you already see that I made these two. And perhaps you are interested in the templates I made with my brother scan and cut. Well, it's possible. It's so new for me, but I have thought about it because I definitely going to know that some of you really want to try these out to make this pretty easy 6x6 albums. So I hope I gave you the possibility. Just send me an email that you are interested in the templates. And I don't know exactly the amount, how much they are, but I think 25 or something like that, but pretty much. But just send me an email if you are interested in the templates I used in these two albums. And I made a complete pack of it. So I just charged a little for making these because that spent me, well, pretty much a week to make them. So yeah, and I will see how it goes because it was my first time, and perhaps I will do more, and the more I get, the more professional it will look. But I think I did a pretty good job for the very first time, and I have the brother scan and cut just a few months, and it was my first time playing around, so I definitely know they are not perfect, but they were pretty awesome to work with. Really, really easy, as you saw in the tutorials how they work. So just send me an email if you are interested in the templates, and we'll talk about it. Okay, so hope you like these. Give me a thumbs up and hope to see you. Bye bye.